You can do that.
I think before him, I'm very strong to the ground.
Okay, so gather around.
Wearing your too tall of shoes.
This is the very first meeting of Robot Hilarious and the Sons of Eve.
Well, everything I've ever seen comes back to me in pieces, and between the layers I found places for in my machine. Secretly, these things become a piece of me. I cease to dream and seem to be and be only, but get so lonely. I live forever every day and never take a break to take the time to pay some mind to winding up and realigning. I just go, daddy-o. Never stop to smell the flow. You look so happy though, laughing low and acting cold. But what happens most the antidote gets wrapped in old, abandoned, and just crammed in old condemned apartments that are closed. And the public is outside gathering sardonic cliches like that's the way that it is. After all, this is the end of days. But I'm carving a canoe out of a car. I call it the Honda. Fuck you. You wanna see my scars? Call it a rendezvous of me and myself under the stars. Traveling the rivers, rejecting everything you are.
And the weird thing is, that's nothing. On a road full of sharks, if your raised blood keeps running. You never expect nothing to be the same. When you get there, and if it is, then you change.
Yeah! Guaranteed.
Alright, one more on this. Everyone I've ever been comes back again to haunt me. They all seem to want things I can't provide promptly enough. When I got duffel bags full of this stuff, and this stuff's so full I can't pull them up, man, life is tough. These spiritual advances are inappropriate, especially when combined with the kinds we really hope we get. What these ghosts want with little wise, if I actually possess that certain Genesis why. Our certain versions of what might or might not be pertinent, they permeate our fate. How could you not see your Nazis with their dollars? The paparazzi follow all the followers of the Illuminati. That's fine, whatever. I'm crazy as a feral Arabian with rabies, carrying a barrel of M80s. And that's fine. I'm dying to find a cause worth losing my life for. The front lines. The weird thing is, that's nothing. On a road full of sharks, if it makes blood, keep trucking. You never expect nothing to be the same when you get there, and if it is, well then you've changed. You've changed. You've changed. You've changed. But you've changed. But you've changed. But you've changed. But you've changed. DJ Matt Skirting, turn it up.
We got a winner. And then he also believes he gets invented with cooking.
No, you're supposed to call it that.
And he's been, instead of like